I'm gonna talk real quick about accessories you want to add to your motherboard to increase the GPUs for your mining rig. It's pretty simple. You just need the hardware. I didn't have to change any settings in the BIOS or anything. So the first one would be the M.2 to PCIe adapter. I've seen two different ones on Amazon. This one, the board, you need the board to clip it on. The other one that I seen was just a 3.0 USB. So no need for the board basically. And the second accessory is this 1 to 4 PCIe extension or adapter, whatever you want to call it, or whatever they call it. And that's pretty much it. This motherboard from a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from a 5 PCIe slot to a 9 PCIe slot, basically. Pretty simple. Just plug and play. That's pretty much it. Just plug the cards one by one, just in case. Oh, and I had to buy these USB 3.0 extension cable. They're like 3 feet long. Seem to be working just fine. Yeah, this 2070 here is the one with the most heat at the moment. It's on 65. But it'll probably do better once I turn on this fan. And let's see, this 9 card rig. It's taking about 12, 18 watts. How much is that in amps? Taking 10.27 amps. Mini voltage. 120 volt. Yep. What else we got here? Hertz, 60 hertz. This is 20 kilowatt per hour, 21 more or less. That's pretty much it.